Today, I'll walk you through how to add a clickable rating field in Airtable, turning your base into a more interactive and visual tool for feedback or reviews. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. To get started, open your Airtable base and navigate to the table where you want the rating field to live. Look at the very top row of your columns, where all your field names are, like name, notes, or date. You'll see a small plus icon at the far right end of that row. Go ahead and click that plus icon. This action opens up the field creation menu, where you can choose from a wide variety of field types. In the search bar that appears, simply type the word rating. Airtable will quickly filter the options, and you'll see the rating field type appear. Select it and then click the blue Create Field button at the bottom of the menu. And just like that, a brand new empty rating column will appear in your table. Now that the field is created, you can customize it to fit your needs perfectly. Click on the small drop-down arrow next to the new rating field's name, and then choose Customize Field Type. A settings panel will open on the right side of your screen. Here, you can set the maximum scale for your ratings. A scale of 5 stars is the most common and intuitive for most users, but if you need more granularity, you can bump it up to 10. You can also change the icon style, so instead of stars, you could use hearts, thumbs up, or even a smiley face. This is a great way to match the field's appearance to the mood of your project, whether it's a customer satisfaction tracker or a personal movie log. To start using the field, simply click on any cell within your new rating column. Each click will fill in one of your chosen icons. You can click all the way up to your maximum scale, or click once to set a lower rating. If you make a mistake, just click the cell again until it's back to 0. Or hit the delete key on your keyboard to clear it instantly. That's really all there is to it. You now have a fully interactive rating system right inside your Airtable base, making it incredibly easy to gather quick opinions without ever leaving your spreadsheet. Thanks for watching, and happy building!